Good morning, my good people of YouTube. As you can tell by the title, today is going to be an XS750 video. To be honest, I don't know where I left off with the bike. Sorry, I look like a mess right now. I'm still working and messing with the bike. So it is like, what, 9 a.m. right now? Yeah, 9 a.m., October 22. And it is a nice morning. So I figured I'd get a crack at the XS750. I don't know when's the last time because I haven't posted it yet, currently, in my time right now. I'm probably going to edit it soon. But I think the last time I had the video on this was I took out the carbs and I was messing and cleaning with it. Trying different settings and stuff. Shortly after, I didn't vlog it, but Kuya Francis, one of my family friends, one of my basically older brothers, came by to check out the bike and guided me on some things. So now we got it running pretty decent. I wish I vlogged it, but all I had to do was change the needle. So what we found out was this was running way leaner than I thought. And you genuinely want your engine to run richer. Richer is better than lean. Otherwise, the engine gets, I don't know, you might screw it up big time. But it's better to run rich. So right now it's running rich. I have no air filter on there right now. I dialed the notch down all the way closest to the point of the needle, which I'll show you in this clip. I have it on my phone, and I asked Kuya Francis where I should go. Wait, you lost me. So this one, I took it out. The needle came with it, right? The base of this needle, are you talking about something inside here? Are you talking about in there somewhere? Where that sits? Or are you talking about in there? I'm assuming you're talking about this. The base of this needle. I don't know where do you even check that? I gotta tear this thing apart? So you talking about there and there somewhere? Alright, Koi, I got it out. Oh my gosh, that was so annoying. But there's a washer and there's this rubber piece right here. Yay. Alright, so where do you want me to go? It's like right in the middle. One right or one left. But basically, if you guys can see it, this needle, there's a needle in this brass cylinder. So this basically gives me more fuel. And I think that's what was happening. The needle was too far down when the brass cylinder moves up on the diaphragm. And it's not allowing, it's giving too much air, not enough fuel. So right now the setting is all the way closest to the needle, which means the needle is the highest as its highest point, meaning more fuel comes in. And without the air filter, it's just more air, more fuel. So it's good. I have her warmed up actually. I don't know if I could start it with the electric start, but the battery's kind of dead on this. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, no, I need to kickstart it. So yeah, cue the intro and I'll kickstart the bike for you. Alright guys, let's go ahead and kickstart this bad boy. I need to go to the store soon though, because I need to top it off with oil. It's kind of low on oil, but I'll start it just for the sake of starting it for you guys. Choke all the way out. Starts pretty good on first kick. Spoke too soon. Come on, I just started it. Alright, I promise I started it on first kick, and I'll show you in the video on my phone that I kicked it once and it started right up, so I don't know. This bike is finicky sometimes. But yeah, she's running. She's running. She doesn't go, she goes past 2,000 RPM now. Let me put the choke all the way in. That's the issue I was having before, as you guys can tell. Let's shut her off now. But yeah, she's running. I even drove it around. I'll show you in the video. I should have vlogged that too, but I was really too excited that I got this on the road. And got past the 2K bug. I even stopped in the middle of the road just to show that, you know, I can throttle out of 2 now, or out of first gear, throttle out past 2,000 RPM, because before, when I go on a stop and it's in gear, I can't go past 2,000 RPM and it just bogs. But now it doesn't do that anymore, so super happy with that. Yeah, I'm gonna put the stock filter back on, and we'll see. I really wanted to buy pod filters for it, but truthfully, I think I'm just gonna put the stock air box back, because a lot of people said putting pod filters on this thing is a nightmare. So I don't want nightmares. I'm tired of nightmares. I just want to ride this thing and enjoy it. And yeah, so let's put back the stock air filter. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I don't want to take apart the carb again. Usually you want to take the carb out, then slide the air box in, but this is a tight area here, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take apart the air box and put the backside first, and screw everything else in. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so I took the gas tank off. I'm gonna run the gas out of it. I'm just running the gas out of it, that way the carbs are completely dry before I take it out, because there's still a lot of fuel in there. And then from there, we'll take out the carbs one more time, I hope. Put the air box in, and then yeah, hope for the best. And no more fuel. So now we've done that, we're gonna take apart the carb. Well, not take apart, take the carb off, put the air box in, then put the carb back on. Ugh, it's so annoying, but we gotta do it. As you guys can tell, that was a bitch and a half to put in. I really hope I don't have to I really hope I don't have to put this back out, take it back out, adjust the needle. I probably will. And at that point I hope I have pod filters, but damn. That's so annoying. Okay, before I tighten everything down, I'm just gonna start it again with the fuel tank on. So let's see. Alright guys, I put it back together, and now it won't rev past 1,500. And I think it's because I ran it without the air box. So even without the air box, it was running rich. So what I think is happening now is that now that we've restricted air, now it's not getting enough air therefore still feeding the same amount of fuel even without the restricted air. So now it's just all fucked. Definitely, I think it's drowning itself. Maybe that's why it won't go past. But it idles. Yeah, I might need to go a notch up on the diaphragm and diaphragm needle and see where we're at with that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in this video. We'll see how spirited I am to take everything apart and put it back in together. But honestly, I ordered some pod filters. I think I'm just gonna wait for those. I'm really tired of dealing. As you can see in the time lapse, it was a bitch. It's a bitch to get in and out, and it's gonna be a bitch taken out now. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to this. But let's take out the airbox. Let's run the bike again without the airbox, and let's just see if it still does what it did, like me being able to ride it earlier. And let's just see what happens. So yeah. All right, guys, some time passed by. It's still the same. I don't know, it probably looked different. It's a different day. No, it's the same day. I just went to go get lunch. I got an hour left of work. I got Andy coming over because we're doing something else. I think that's gonna be another video. It's gonna be another series. Oh my god, nothing but content for this channel. But anyways, I'll talk more of that later. Anyways, where I left off, took the airbox out. We're gonna go ahead and start it again, like I said before, just to see if I can mimic the same diagnosis that we had before, which is hopefully it just runs. This is kind of like a weird angle. There you go. There you go. We'll kickstart it. There we go.
Five years later. 5 years later.
Pause the video.
5 years later.
All right, I tired myself out for no reason. There's no gas in the tank. Which is fine, because I wanted to run the gas out anyways. I just totally forgot. It's been a long day for me, guys. Sorry. So no tank, or no fuel in the tank. If there is, just a little bit. I don't want to fill up the tank right now, just because I don't want to waste a full tank. Because I might have to take it apart again, who knows. But I think I'll continue this. I think I'll continue this XS750 video in another time. I have carbs coming, or not carbs, I have pod filters coming in for this thing. I ordered it just now. It's supposed to come Friday, sometime this weekend. And then I'll film again and see how that's running with the pod filters. So I really don't want to put the stock airbox back on, honestly. It's a bitch to get in and out all the time, especially if I have to tune and always taking it in and out, in and out. It's just not gonna be a good time. I'm gonna be annoyed, if anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave the carbs in here for now. I'll wait for the pod filters to come in, and we'll just go from there. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this XS750 video. I feel like I didn't really do much, except going back in circles again. But we'll wait for the pod filters, then we'll go ahead and continue the video and see where this bike is at after the pod filters. So yeah, if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video, whether it be a vlog or another XS750. See you guys in the next one.